All right, my husband working right now on remodeling our house, and right here we have a case for the DeWalt 18 gauge bread nailer right here. And he always like to keep his extra nails right here in the case with a tool. It's a hardcover case with a zipper, and he replaced the pulls of the zippers. And each case depends on what type of the tool it is. They have a similar color zipper pulls. Very sturdy zipper, which I like. And right here is little pocket, mesh pocket with a Velcro. So after when he finished working, he cleaned his tools and put in this case, which make the tools last longer. You can see here's another tool for the bread nailer for different kind, different size. So we're storing all our DeWalt tools in those cases.